we're going to visualize how Deref3.c implements pointer referencing and dereferencing in order to perform this swap code that was presented in the reading. So we now know that what goes on here in these three registers is that we have, we're going to have x, y, and int pointer. So we're going to call it x, y, and int pointer. We have the data value of 10 and the data value of 25. And then we have int pointer, which is going to be ~x. So we now know that this is going to point here. This fprintf statement, we print the initial values. We see that x goes here and y goes here. So that initial printout is going to be 10 and 25. So this is the crucial line of code to understanding what's going on. Int swap equals star int pointer. What this does is it actually creates a new register that we're going to call swap. And this star int pointer makes a copy. What it's doing, and let me put this here, is star int pointer goes to int pointer, goes inside, goes to the data inside what we're pointing at. In this case, it's x, and then stores that in the register. So swap currently has the value of 10. And now what's going on here at this line of code is that we are now going to update this line of code here. Int pointer is now equal to the ~y, which means that instead of ~x, it's now pointing to ~y, which means it is pointing to this register, which contains the value of 25. So now x equals star int pointer. We are now going to update. Let's use our here. So the line of code that I'm doing is highlighted here. What this does, we go to int pointer, goes to the location, gets the data, star int pointer, and then stores that information in the register x, which means that we are now going to update this to 25. Now we have one last thing, which is star int pointer equals swap. So what's going on here? Well, we are going to do the same thing. We have star int pointer is the data. We're going to set the data equal to where we're pointing at. So if I update this, we go, what's this data supposed to be? That should equal the data in swap. So this erases 25 and now updates it to the value of 10. And so then when we print these out, we now see x is going to be 25 and y is going to be 10. And so let us compile and run this. There's deref. There it is. And we see that x was initially 10, y is equal to 25. And at the end, we have swapped them.